Hey guys, welcome to the Hacked Existence tutorial on assembling the Kiisu clear case that we made. So by the end of this video, I'll show you guys how to take your naked Kiisu 4B board and add this protective clear case to it. You can see it doesn't protrude very much. It's very thin, nice and transparent, so you can see through and admire all the electronics, cutouts for the buttons, protects the screen. And we left cutouts for an external antenna. So if you put an external antenna on there, that's still going to fit, and the I button as well. You can see those sensors are still protruding, so that all retains functionality. It's held together by these little clips, which hang out just a little bit, but it is just barely enough to keep it together and let you carry your Kiisu in style. So let's jump into the bill of materials. All right, so here's our bill of materials. Obviously, we're going to start with a naked Kiisu 4B board, and to that we're going to add the bottom plate and the top plate and these four little clips that are going to hold it in place. And basically, these plates come with two protective layers of film, one on each side. So I'm going to begin by peeling those off. And you can see one is ultra cloudy. This one's a lot more transparent, but there's still a layer of film on there, so we'll take that off as well. All right, now I'll line up the bottom case and set that on the bottom where it's supposed to go. I'll flip it over and do the same thing with the top. Now I'm going to use one of the clips and I'm going to get the tip of it into the hole, and I'm going to bend it around and put the tip on the other side into the hole on the bottom. And this is going to require a little bit of stretching, but these clips are pretty resilient and they take it. Once you get it into place, you just kind of squeeze it in there and it'll lock it in real good. All right, there's one all nice and clipped into place. Now I'll do the other three. All right, and there we go. Now we have a nice clear case, minimalist form factor. Lets you see the nice board underneath, protects the screen. As you can see, it's ultra thin, just barely sticks up. It's actually lower than the battery itself. So at this point, we're ready to take our Kiisu on the road, get out there and start having fun with all the flipper firmwares we can load on here. So as always, stay tuned and thanks for watching.